Okay, right now I have some Frank's Red Hot with 3 sticks of butter and some steak seasoning. This is going to be our buffalo sauce. We're doing buffalo hot ribs. Took the membrane off. I got it pre-cut. We're doing simple rub. Garlic, black and tan, bourbon sugar, and paprika. Very simple. I'm going to do all 4 sides. Yes, I know those couple are a little heavy. Be alright. I'll get the rest of the sides done and see you out at the smoker. Alright, we are putting them on. It's going to be a hot, fast. Not your typical long rib cook. Alright, they're all loaded up. Now they're going in. I'm going to toss a chunk of the cherry and close her up. That is not Anakin. That is our new friend Spade, because of her little marking on the bottom of her chin. Here's a new one. Showed up. We have yet to see Miss Anakin today, but I'm sure she'll show up. Alright, we're going to give them all a flip. I could have waited a little longer, but it's fine. Alright, I'm going to take the water pan out, and these are totally not the correct gloves to be using, so do not try this off. Whoa! That's exactly why. It's hot. And I'm going to add these. I'm going to let it go with no water pan. Finish it up. Alright, the ribs are the way I want them. Now we are going with our buffalo sauce we made. Ones on top, we're going to keep this plain. Alright, we're going to flip them and do the other side. Let them go for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll see you inside.
Well, is it ballin' or is it falling?
That's ballin'.